Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing good at home. See, my dear students, as we have already started the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, isn't it? In moral science, I am talking about. So, we have already started chapter 7 in moral science. That I have already explained you the chapter whole, what that chapter was all about. Today we are going to discuss something more and some new things are there in the top in that chapter. Like one memories are there, kind of song or prayer is there, and one exercise is there that we are going to do today. Okay, so everyone, first, as we are discussing about the moral science, my dear, it's very important that you all should know the value of moral science. Moral science is not like just a subject. Okay, we will read, we will get the marks. That is not moral science. Moral science means what you are inculcating, what things you are adopting in yourself. Okay, when you are doing good to others, when you are helping others, when you are doing something which is beyond your level, okay, when you are not doing any kind of discrimination, okay, this is all moral science. Moral science is not a theoretical subject. We will read the story, we will write the answer. No, that is not moral science. Moral science means you should have some moral values of your own. The moral value, what do you mean by the moral value is here? Moral value is like when you will be kind to others, when you will follow the instruction given by your elders, your family member, you will love your younger ones. This is all the kindness, a kind of kindness which you are showing, a discipline which you are showing during the class time. These all things are about moral science. Moral science you will read and give the exam, that is not moral science. Okay, that will be considered as other subjects only. Okay, then it will be considered as other subjects only. But is it, if it is written moral science, some moral is also there and some science factors are also there, related to kindness, related to discipline, related to manners, and how to be a good human being, how to be a good person for the society, to the society, and for everyone. Okay, so this is the chapter, okay, that is chapter lesson number 7. One world auxiliary language. See, auxiliary language. There is, this is the one world, my dear. We all are living in a world, okay? It is a world, okay? And in that world, different countries are there. So many countries are there. We are the citizen of India. Some are citizen of America. Some are the citizen of Australia. Some are from Africa, Russia. So many countries are there. China name you have heard recently. Okay, so many countries are there, but they all are having some auxiliary languages. Auxiliary languages are auxiliary languages. I can say they are having their some mother tongue of their country. They must be having some supplementary languages which they are using in their country. Like in India, we are using Hindi, we are using we are using Bhojpuri. In Patna, we are using some other kind of languages also here. But generally in India, people use Hindi language. Okay, people use Hindi language, or else we used to communicate through English language. Okay, which I think is using all over the world. Means everyone is using. So the few languages are those languages which are common in entire world, and everyone is using that language to communicate with each other. But in this chapter, we have learned about that in different countries, the people came from different countries. They all are using the different language for the same single thing. But and because of that, they all were not able to get that what other is saying. Okay, and because of that, they have faced problem. They have fight with each other. But at last, they have recognized by seeing that, and then they have realized that no, we all were talking about the same thing. So what does this mean? One word auxiliary languages. One word language will help the people of the world to communicate with each other. We used to communicate, we used to talk. when we used to talk, we used to share our feeling or emotions. That is called as a communication freely and to understand each other easily. We used to talk in Hindi, we used to talk in English, okay, so that we can understand each other what we are saying in a more gentle way or in a more smooth way. In the same way, different people, different country are using different languages so that they can understand their feelings, their emotions in a easy way. We would not we would not need to spend time, energy, resources to matter diverse language. Like we should not waste time in diversing the language. Oh, this he is using this language. I am not going. I don't know that. That language is cheap. The language which he is using, that what he is saying is not. So these things should not be happen. Okay, every language is having its own importance. Okay, and everyone is if using that language, they are using to communicate with each other. So don't discriminate, or we should not go on that matter that this language is good or that language is good. No, that is not a matter of talk. We would be at the liberty to talk to anyone we wish. Having a common language would facil- facilitate communications and enhance the bond of the friendship across the world. See, if everyone is using different languages, and that is only the purity, and that is only the beautiful, and that is only making the world beautiful. Okay, we can say. So we all are using different language, but some common languages are also there, which help you and me to understand each other. Okay, that is also very necessary. That is also very required. Otherwise, if someone is living in Kerala or if someone is living in Maharashtra, someone is using Marathi and someone is using the what I can say any language we can Bengali. Maybe they all both will not understand each other language. Maybe they both will not understand each other language, as there is a communication gap and there is a language gap. Okay, but if they will use similar language, like if they will communicate with each other in Hindi if they are knowing, or else in English, so it will be better. So like this, some common languages are also there in the world which help us to understand each other's feeling. So every language is individually important, but after that, there are some common languages are also there which help persons to talk with each other. In the same way, you can see memorize. You have to memorize it. Okay, means you have to remember this. See what it is written. The heart is like a box and the language is like a sky. Our heart, okay, our heart is like a box, okay, and language which we used to speak, that is a kind of sky, okay. We can open the box only by using the key. Okay, so the language is a key. I have said sky. Language is a key. Okay, heart is a box and language is a key of that box. So when we open our heart, only by using the key. If something is locked, okay, so you can open it by using the key only. Now, when you used to go out somewhere, you used to lock your door, so that door used to be opened by the key. In the same way, our heart is a box, and the key is a language. Okay, sorry, the language is the key which help us to open that heart. Okay, and observe the gem it contains. Therefore, the question of an auxiliary international tongue has the utmost importance. It means that when we are talking, when we are communicating with each other, okay, what it is written? It is written, and observe the gem it contains. Okay, it contains a kind of gem. Okay, it contains a kind of gem. Means gem is a kind of we can say it is very precious. Okay, it is very precious. Okay, and that it used to contain, and therefore the question of an auxiliary international tongue has outmost importance. Means the people who are using the tongue, the mother tongue of their country, they are also having their own individual importance. Like we are having in India, Hindi is the mother tongue of our which we used to use, and that is have more significance and importance in India. But when you will go out from India, maybe this language is not being used by the people, so it will not create that much importance among the people. See this one also. The heart is like a box. Okay, the heart is like a box. Language is a key to this. Language is a key to this box. We can of open the box or other people's heart by using the key of language. Once the box is open, we can see the gems that are in the box. See, our heart is a kind of box. There are different languages, and we are using different kind of languages and emotions to uh, communicate with each other. In that box there is a gem. Okay, there is the most precious thing. Okay, that is love, kindness, discipline. Okay, these all things are there. So by using the key we can open the box and we can communicate with each other. Therefore it is very important to find or to create an auxiliary word that can enable all the people of the world to talk to each other. So it's very important, okay, to make a supplementary, like auxiliary means supplementary. It's very important to make one supplementary language so that everyone can communicate with each other. Okay, because everyone cannot learn everyone's language. But if there will be a common supplementary language, then everyone can use that and they can communicate with each other. There are more than 1,000 different languages spoken in the world today. If people do not speak the same language, they cannot understand each other. We want to wish to people to we want if we wish to speak to the people to other countries and culture, we need to select or invent an auxiliary international language. Means that if you want to communicate with the people who are living in Russia, or if you want to communicate with the people who are living in America. So there should be one auxiliary language, there should be one supplementary language, there should be one common language between both of you, through which you can communicate with each other. Otherwise, they will speak in Russian and they will speak Russian and you will speak Hindi. You both will not understand what you both will say. But if you will communicate in the same particular common language, like that person is also speaking in English, I am also speaking in English. Suppose I don't know Russian, maybe he is also not knowing Hindi, so it will create trouble. But if some common language is there, like English, so maybe that person is also knowing English, and maybe you are also knowing English, so you can communicate with each other through English, and that will make your work easier. Auxiliary means supplementary. It is written here. The auxiliary international language will not replace one's mother tongue, but is an add to the understanding the and talking to each other. So, see, it is not like that. When we will start using English language, or when we will start using Russian language, or when we will start using Malayalam language, or when we will start using any other language, it is not like that we are going to forget our Hindi language or any other language which we used to call as our mother tongue. This don't used to happen. Whenever we used to learn something, we used to learn the new thing. We don't used to forget the previous thing. So that is the importance of a language. Okay, and and when we are using any auxiliary language, it used to add some values to us. Okay, suppose we are knowing Hindi. If we will know English also, then we can communicate with any other person easily. Okay, it adds values to your self. Okay, it used to add some value to your self only. Okay, so this is what that this exercise was all about. There it is, hard word written. Observe, when Uncle James drives his car, he always wears his safety belt. Observe speed limit. Observe the traffic rules and signs. Auxiliary, secondary or supplementary, second language, okay, or secondary language, we can say a supplementary language. Then the language which we are using beyond our mother language, okay, beside our mother language. Mother language we are using Hindi, we are using, or else any mother language, like some used to use Maithili, or some used to use Bhojpuri, or some are having their own language. But instead of that, but that also we are using, and the secondary language, the auxiliary language, some other language also we are using. Here is the question answer which is related to the chapter, short question answers. Okay, you have to write the chapter name, then the chapter number, answer these questions. Okay, short answer type question it is. You can write short answer type questions also. You have to copy all the questions and answer in your copy very nicely and in a very beautiful manner, so that it should be visible to you as well as to me, and all the words and the things whatever I have written, that should be written nicely. Okay, see the words, see the spelling, and then write. Okay, all the question answer is there. You can see I'm moving the slide, all it is there. Okay, you can do the video pause and you can write it. Okay, you can write all these. Okay, and rest all I will send also on in the homework also as PDF, so you can write from there also, but you can see and then you can write from here also. All is related to the chapter, the exercises which I have explained before and today both. Okay, that is all, my dear. I hope you all have understood very nicely, and you have gone through the chapter on that day also. Today also some of the things I have explained related to the chapter. Whatever I have explained to memories which I have explained, the exercise which I have explained, go through that again. Try to read all, and the hard words you try to underline, and then learn it. The short question answer which I have sent, you have to learn it. Okay, go through it, learn it, revise it, and see the video nicely, so that any problem you will face, you can come with that in the online classes. That is all, my dear. Thank you, everyone.